cannot connect your output. That's why you install. All install. Install. Because all these terminologies are valid. You will see those terminology in the field. That's why I have written all them. Convert DC1, promote, install DC1 into certificate and click next also. Now in the certificate authority, select certificate authority enrollment web service and certificate authority enrollment web. No. So from top select So top one. Okay. Then leave the second one and third and fourth. So one.
Federation services.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No problem. Select those. Different people are on different page actually.
Oh yeah.
I'll tell you. You just have to click next until you receive. You are on the page where it says certificate authority.
And then the rule services, what we have to do.
And then in that one you select certificate authority and then install. Why is it rebooting your machine? Reboot is not required. Click install. So as install button. Press install button. Next again. Okay.
Faster. You have to celebrate. When we do the homework,
You must be
we celebrate. Come with us. When we do the assignment for the item, come with us. We're gonna make a deal. We're celebrating. You want to do the assignment? I don't used to be today.
So now next step.
Yeah. Click next.
Okay.
Next.
Certificate authority. Oh no. You are going too fast.
Stop.
Stop it. Yeah, because the other one will not install. It will be the second phase. Select first and second, and then click next. Enterprise CA.
Root CA.
Next, root CA. Why enterprise? Enterprise, yes. Because also this is the key size. Key size is 2048. Key length. Let's go with the default one. Click next. Yes. Click the default one. Now this is the name of the CA. Select the default. Click next. This certificate, it will issue this certificate for 5 years. Okay,
Not enough.
Click next. Database
It's better.
location. Database location is this one. I'm happy with this location. Click next.
We all have it.
And in the end, click configure. Okay, make sure these are the settings. Okay, so this part is completed. It says configuration completed, configuration succeeded. Okay. Now it will give another option. Okay, click close, and then it will say, do you want to configure additional role services? You have to say yes. Because the third one is yes. And then again you have to click next, and then now this time you select web service. This time you have to select web service, enrollment web service, which is very good actually. Okay, and then click next again. Leave it as it is, CA name. Next. Windows integrated authentication, yeah. Next. Specify the service account.
Browse.
Use the built-in application pool identity. Now in production environment you have to select the service account, but I am not selecting here. So this is just a demo. Click next.
Second one, right?
Second one. Yeah. And then select this. You have to click inside this box.
Next.
It says to click next. and click configure. You want to make sure that these are the options selected. CNAME should be van-dc1.additive.com/additive-van-dc1/ca. Go to Internet Explorer and go to this
Click on the
web
one.
page.
You're doing this from the DC1 or Exchange?
Not DC1. Yeah, actually you can do it from Exchange server also. What you have to type is http://van-dc1/search.
Excuse me, sir, you are in DC1 just to confirm that.
Yeah, I'm on DC1.
Oh, DC1?
So search. Now search should give you a good web page for certification service.
Okay.
Don't see that certification
No.
page?
On DC1, yes, it shows.
And then search
SRV.
CERT-SRV. You should see page like this one. If you don't see this page your certificate server is not installed properly.
It means the next was not installed.
Yeah. You should see a certificate page like this one.
Yeah. Yo.
Yeah. So one of the proofs that my certificate is installed properly is you get login as administrator. Now the remaining steps are there in the chapter number 3, page number 65, starting from page number 65. Server.
No.
Okay, so server. Click on server in Exchange Admin Center, and then click on certificate. Now right now.
Valid. Microsoft Exchange Server.
So certificates, there are 3 certificates already installed.
Yes.
But they are all self-signed certificates. So new Exchange certificate. Create a request for a certificate from a certification authority. Click next. So I am requesting a new certificate from a certification authority. What should be the name of the certificate? The name should be Exchange Certificate from internal CA. So I can put any name, doesn't matter, just to identify this certificate with other certificate. I'll put this name, Exchange Certificate from internal CA. Click next. We want to request a wildcard certificate. If you want to request, you have to click here and then provide domain name. But I don't want to get a wildcard certificate. I want a proper SAN certificate. Click next. So don't check anything here. Just click next. Okay. Now before we proceed further, we have to click properties and click on sharing. Okay. And then go to advanced sharing. And then click on share this folder and click on permission, and in the permission make sure full access is selected for everyone. All these options are full access, yes, full control. Click OK. Click OK. And then go to security. Okay, and then go to edit. Then click add and put what's the name? That's Exchange Trusted Subsystem. Exchange Trusted Subsystem. Tech name. Click go to advanced. No, click OK, and then select modify. Modify. And then click
What's
apply.
the name? What's the name?
Okay, and then click close.
How do you change this in the go to edit?
On the sharing side, full control to everyone. On the security, permission, edit, and then this is as per the book. Okay? Now go back, click next. So make sure it has value x1 here. Okay? Value x1, click next. But where are you saying?
What's going on? Where on that server? Why?
Type mail.adatum.com. Adatum.com.
You're changing the intranet or internet?
No, internet. External, yeah, internet. And copy this mail.adatum.com because they are going to use this for all the entries. So instead of typing multiple times, just select and copy and paste.
Yeah, this is smart.
OLB, right click, paste. Exchange web services, right click, paste. Okay. Exchange active sync, right click, paste. Okay. Except auto discover the domain and just leave autodiscover.adatum.com.
Okay, only one.
Pop, leave it as it is. IMAP, leave it as it is. Outlook anywhere, just put mail.adatum.com. Next. So based on that, it says you have to get certificate which will have all these domain names.
Mohammed, how much is gonna cost us?
This will be an expensive one because it has how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Next.
Ask me, what is your organization name? I have to be very honest when you are preparing this because otherwise they will not approve. Sometimes they save the certificate request to the following file. Okay, so and the file name should be your the name .req. So I will select.
Why you give me Afghanistan by the book say?
Change this to Canada.
Top of the list, number one.
So I'm saving it to van ex1 backslash certificate backslash and the certificate is adatum dash certificate dash request dot req. So I am saving this request as this file req. Yeah. Whatever file name you choose, make sure it has the extension .req.
Yeah.
Request. Your share name backslash file name. You can put any file name.
Wire.
Okay, so now you check your share.
Yeah.
And in the share, you should see a file name called
Yes.
.req. Whatever file name you have selected. Okay, now you have to take this file and go to the authority that you want to get certificate. But since I don't have external access, I have Explorer EX1.
Hmm?
So load another session actually. I'm so run connect to your certificate authority using HTTP /van-dc1 /CERTSRV. Enter.
In DC1 or in
DC1. Van-DC1. No, HTTPS. Only HTTP. You should see a page like this one.
we got it.
And if you are getting it from Entrust or VeriSign or from Komodo.com, you have to go to their website and follow their procedure. Click on request a certificate. Request a certificate. And then click on advanced certificate request. Advanced certificate request. And then don't click the first line which says create and submit a request. No. Create the second one. Submit a certificate request by using a base 64 and coded CMC or PKCS7 file. So basically, I already have this request file. I will use that request file. So click on the second link. When you click on the second link, it will ask you what type of certificate you are looking for.
Why is that certification?
Now it is asking what is the certificate template, what type of certificate it is. So down arrow, use web certificate.
Web server.
Web server, yeah, web server. Because IAS is nothing but a web server. And here we have to copy and paste from that request file. So open request file.
What other options are available here? Exchange?
The other is additional attribute.
No, web server.
In this one I have basic EFS administrator, EFS recovery agent, subordinate certification authority. Yeah. Select web server. And then open now, and in the meantime go to this certificate request file, double click. When you double click, it doesn't know how to open this file.
Open it, notepad.
You're in Van EX1 or
Yeah. So you
EX1.
have to go to that request file,
EX1?
EX1.
click on more option, and select notepad.
No.
You're on EX1.
I'm on EX1.
So are we on EX1 or?
EX1.
You have to be on EX1 now.
In the last sprint.
Okay, I have opened this file, this whole file from top to bottom. Right click, copy, minimize this, and then paste here, base 64 position. Right click, and paste here.
All things can hold it.
Yeah, I'm holding.
Please.
Okay, this dot.
We got it. We did.
Now it is preparing, it's accepting the certificate required, and you have the certificate now. You have got two certificates, download certificate and download certificate chain.
What the
Chain is for
Chain is what?
trusted root chain.
Chain is what? So,
You might have pop-up blocking. So download this certificate one by one. Download first and then download the second one. In the same folder where you download, where you create the
certificate.
request file. So download certificate,
Okay.
save as, and go to the computer C drive certificate and save it here. And download chain, certificate chain.
Is the EX1 and then install.
Now you have to click on complete pending request.
Yeah, it's not about the extension of this.
Yeah, you have to click complete. once you click complete, it will ask you where is the certificate. Because now it is expecting that you should provide a certificate to exchange. So yeah, that was expected. Actually. That's good that we see invalid option. Because now we can use change to correct this problem.
No, because you have to solve the next one.
Now it is installed, but it's still invalid. How should I make it valid? Type MMC. MMC.
Both of them.
This is my MMC. If the MMC open, no, EX1. Everything is now happening on EX1. Not MMC, yes. MMC is like management console, Microsoft management console. Then you add
Go to
and then add certificate status.
click on this one, complete.
Certificate, click add.
So we didn't get this.
Yes.
No, we didn't get it.
So sticky, it's okay. And then click OK. And you will see certificate local computer. Double click certificate local computer. Go to district, root authority. Go to certificate.
Both of them. Oh, you changed. You did something.
And here you have to install the second part, which was the chain file. Because chain file is missing. Exchange is it does not. And then click next.
Where do you click next?
And then file name, click browse. And then select C drive.
Are we exporting the?
Yeah, we are not exporting C, we have to use P7B.
Did you get it?
So down arrow,
You have to install the chain too.
P7B, the last option.
Yeah, just
P
one.
is
But
C7
when you
certificate,
install,
P7B.
put this one. Have you installed it?
Right here.
Okay? And
Pick
then click next. And finish. So now my chain is installed. And since chain is installed, my other certificate will become valid. Okay, the return was successful. You should receive something like this one. Report.
Yes, valid now.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
No.
Was successful. Click OK.
Import was successful. Refresh once again. Yeah.
And click on services. So right now only IMAP and POP is there. I want to do IAS also and SMTP. So web services and as well as SMTP also using this certificate. Otherwise, there is no advantage. I paid so much money for this certificate and I am still getting this certificate error.
Warning.
So I just put the certificate. So
Yes.
okay, yes.
How we can get this?
And now, okay. Now if you want to see where is my certificate, you can click on this log button. You see this log on the address bar. Click on log and go to view certificate option. And it will tell you that this certificate is from Editon, this authority Editon-1-DC1-CA. Okay, and these are the details. Subject alternative name. These are the subject alternative names on this particular certificate. And this is the path. And important thing is it says this certificate is okay. This means it likes the certificate and certificate is valid. Certificate is usable.
You know this one? Always? We have to click. Now, it doesn't
Yeah,
show.
you select it. Now we have started. So we certificate is installed. But what about this is installed on Cache 1. I have Cache 2, Cache 3, Cache 4 server. How do I use certificate? Do I have to buy same certificate for other servers? No, you don't have to buy. You can use same certificate for other servers. Okay? Export, I see certificate file to export. So same path, brand dash ex1 backslash certificate backslash. Now we should give some name with PFX exchange. PFX. So it should be addendum exported certificate dot PFX, and then we have to provide some password. So I will put PA $W0RD. Any password. Before we were in previous versions we were able to export without password, but I think in this version we have to put password. This is not automatically free. Okay.
Are we putting this name to be created fresh installation?
No, yeah, this file will be created and the certificate will be exported inside this file. Now take this file. The next thing your assignment is to install brand ex2. That will be 10.10.0.30. The assignment means